recently moved to Laurel. I'm here for my son's a Kappa Leaguer. This is actually his first Kappa League experience, so his first event. I think it's pretty spectacular.
Today's workshop is all about STEM opportunities, drones, around drones and AI. An important field for young Black males to be entering into and just, finding out more information about it, what that looks like, what that feels like, what that sounds like.
For one of my previous lab members, Dr. Chris Crawford, we have research areas that align with the same interests. So we are here today to observe the brain drone race so that we can replicate this design that he has come up with in the spring for a race that Morgan take.